Valid sign. Release verifiable information, maintain organizational reputation, and protect user assets. Organizations can sign information or announcement through valid sign and post them on official social media platforms, making them verifiable and anti-fraud. As the number of entities onboarding the platform increases, Valid ID can also become one of the official platforms for organizations to issue announcements, no longer relying on centralized social media platforms to share opinions. When users cannot distinguish whether the information contains false content, cannot judge whether the domain name of the project has been changed, cannot patiently confirm whether every character of the cumbersome smart contract address is correct, and feel difficult to confirm whether the official has released this information or whether the information obtained is completely consistent with the official release, and etc. Users can immediately verify the above all situations through valid sign with one click. This approach has several features. Reduce users' operational costs. Users no longer need to cross-check messages and announcements to confirm every single character through multiple channels, but can directly and effectively verify the authenticity of the information from the very beginning to avoid phishing attacks that cause privacy information leakage and assets loss. Maintain the reputation of the organization in the Web 2 and Web 3 world. Even if hackers steal the organization's social media account, as long as they don't control its private key, they cannot conduct any signature authorization, including forging encrypted signatures to release verifiable information text. Even in the event of a phishing incident, the organization can still maintain its reputation and help users to put a stop to losses in time in the following two ways. Show verifiable credentials to the public through zkID wallet to prove their official identity and address. Sign anti-fraud announcements and publish them on various platforms. In this way, zCloak provides organizations with a trustworthy and verifiable fraud refusion channel, which is sufficient to weaken or eliminate most of the frauds and scams in the Web3 world caused by the identity theft. Various authorization configurations build trust tree, make trust migration efficient. In addition, after complete the onboarding process, organizations can authorize more subkeys and subroles to form a root tree for trust transferring. The root key is owned independently or jointly by the founders of the organization, and the authorized subkeys at all levels can be used to sign different affairs and daily work, including the signing of applications and smart contracts, the signing of regular work requests. Correspondingly, subroles can also include co-founders, chief technology officers, and marketing directors, and etc. That is to say, organizations can distribute internal staff permissions through private key authorization to complete the responsibility signing of affairs at different levels of importance. In general, zCloak's organizational identity system based on DID plus VC provides an effective solution to eliminate most phishing events in the Web3 world. In addition, when facing mandatory KYC, KYB certification in the future, whether online or offline, except for the organizational user and the legally responsible attester, no one can know the real-world sensitive identity information of a zkID, so as to protect entities' privacy and data security while effectively implementing accountability procedures after information leakage incidents occur.